Now, what were you saying? Come over here, right where it just said.
Some people try to get over there. People stand over here to over here. Whoa, that's so fast, Mom. And because they give us extra toys. And I don't read that. And it's so exciting.
What do you think it is? Who is it from?
Gigi. Oh my gosh! It's a shirt for me! That's what Gigi sent me!
Stand right here where I can see you.
Oh, so beautiful!
It's so beautiful. Who's on it? I can't see. Turn around so I can see.
Tinkerbell!
Oh, cool. What else?
Panda! I'm Panda! Oh, pants! Oh, they want with me. Look! Tinkerbell pants! A sparkly shirt! A pants! T-shirt! Stuff from the store. I don't need that. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's in this bag.
Here, put that bag. Mommy will look in that bag. Maybe. I'm not sure.
Oh, a baby birthday?
Is this something? Yep, that's for your baby brother, I think. Here, we'll put that over here.
That's for
Or
girl.
maybe this stuff is for you. I don't know.
That is for her.
Oh, okay. Here.
Then look, and there's something for my baby brother.
Yep, here's some stuff.